friends, thanks for joining me. Today I have just a very short video. I wanted to show you how I took some playing cards. They are vintage. I found them at an estate sale and I used them inside of a journal, but before I did that I altered them. I started by very lightly sanding the backs of these cards. I didn't show it in the video, I apologize for that. But I just took a little sandpaper and I just etched it up just a tiny bit. Then I wiped it off to get all the sand off of there. Then I'm just taking some Mod Podge and putting it on the back of the card. And then I have some cutouts that I made from a vintage magazine. It's actually a vintage ballet magazine from 1961 that was disintegrating, and so I saved it by cutting it apart and Mod Podging different parts of it in different places for this particular journal that I'm working on. So in this case, some of the images are going to end up on the back side of these playing cards, and then I will use them as little tucks inside of the journal. So at the end I will have a few pictures of the finished cards. I did the same thing with the cards, not only with the images from the magazine, but also I used some photos that I took of my friend's daughter. I'm giving this journal to my friend, and I did a photo shoot for her because that's something else that I love doing is photography. And so I also added some of her photos on the back of these cards as well. Also, I have to thank Sherry with Turquoise Dreaming because she is the one who gave me this lovely vintage ballet journal. So Sherry with Turquoise Dreaming, thank you so much. If you guys don't know her, please check out her channel. I will put her link in my description box. Well, here they are. I hope this gives you another idea of what you can do with either an old magazine or old cards that you want to use and use as tucks in your journals. Thanks for watching. See you soon.